Welcome to day 8 of the 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will do yin yoga practice to give your body and mind opportunity to rest and restore. Make your way into child's pose. Find a comfortable position with your knees closer or wider apart. Extend your arms forward. And slide your left arm underneath your right armpit. Turn your left palm to face up. You can rest your forehead on the mat or turn your head to the side. Wiggle around until you find a really comfortable position here. Then close your eyes and stay still. Yin yoga is a very slow style of yoga where the poses are usually held for 1 to 5 minutes. Today we will not stay as long because we don't have so much time. We will hold each pose for around 1 to 3 minutes. As you stay in stillness, try to relax the whole body. Notice if there are some areas in the body where you unconsciously hold tension, and try to soften them. Relax your face, shoulders and arms. Soften your rib cage, the belly, let your hips and lower body get heavier and sink down towards the mat. Slowly unthread your left arm and extend it forward on the mat. Slide your right arm under your left armpit. Turn the right palm to face up and release your head to the floor. Find a comfortable position on this side. Find stillness. Check in with your breath. Notice the flow of your breath in and out of the body. You don't need to deepen or elongate your breath. Simply notice the natural flow of the breath. And notice what happens in your body as you breathe. Maybe you can feel the body relax with each exhale, more and more towards the ground, softening into the mat underneath you. Slowly make your way back into child's pose. Straighten your right arm forward and come up to your hands and knees. You can keep your feet pointed or tuck the toes under for the next pose. Keep your hips above the knees and lower the forearms down. Let your chest sink down between your shoulder blades. Find a nice, comfortable stretch on the upper body, the spine area around the shoulders. You can experiment and move your hands more forward or back. Keep them shoulder width wider apart. Another variation is to stack your forearms on top of each other and rest your forehead on your hands. Just try to intuitively find the position where you feel something in the body, and then stay there and breathe. This pose is called melting heart, so you can imagine your heart melting down towards the mat with each breath. Softening the upper body with every exhale. Take one more breath here. And to release, slowly lower down to your belly. And then roll over to lay down on the back. Straighten your legs out. Reach your arms overhead. Hold your right wrist with the opposite hand and move the upper body to the left into side bend. Keep the hips grounded down and move your legs to the left. So you're coming into this banana shape. Cross your right ankle above the left and then left ankle above the right. See which position feels better in your body. Take your time to find a comfortable position and then close your eyes and stay still. Notice where you feel sensation in the body, maybe a bit of stretch on the right side. Follow the flow of your breath. Notice your rib cage expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Inhale creates more space and exhale softens the body. If you notice that the sensations are not as strong anymore, you can always move the upper body and legs a bit more to the side to find a deeper stretch. Slowly bring your upper body and legs back to center. And switch sides. Hold your left wrist with the opposite hand. Bring your upper body to the right. Then bring your legs to the right. Find a comfortable cross of your ankles, left over right or right over the left. The shoulder blades and hips stay grounded. Close your eyes and just enjoy this pose. Allow your body to rest and restore. Allow your mind to be still and quiet. You can use your breath as an anchor, and when your mind starts to wander, just bring awareness back to your breath. Notice the flow of the breath. Rise and fall of your belly and chest. Slowly bring your upper body and legs back to center. Bring your arms down by your sides and find Shavasana. Take your right foot to the right corner of the mat, left foot to the left corner of the mat. Flatten the shoulder blades on the floor. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your face. Soften your forehead. Release your jaw. Relax the shoulders, arms and hands. Soften the rib cage and the belly. Soften your hips into the mat. Relax your thighs, shins and feet. And stay still here for 1 more minute. Following your breath, the rise and fall of your belly and chest. Slowly bring the movement back into your body. Move your fingers and toes, roll your ankles and wrists. Move the head side to side. Maybe take 1 more big full body stretch. And when you're ready, slowly make your way up into seated position. Cross your legs or sit on your heels. keep your eyes closed for another moment. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open the eyes to finish your practice. Let me know in the comments if this was your first time practicing yin yoga. I know that it can be challenging to stay still in one pose for so long, and not everyone enjoys it, so I would really like to hear about your experience. Have a great day and see you tomorrow for day 9.